Today was supposed to be a normal work day, but I finally get back my car. Finally, after 1 whole month. It's 8 a.m. and we are heading to the office with my brother. So we ordered the burger box from Chicken Burger. Looks good. Let's see. It had 4.3 rating on Hunger Station. So I ordered the maple chicken burger box, and there are some chicken bites and some fries with this. Oh my god. I wanted a burger with crispy chicken in it, and this is really nice. The sauce, the maple sauce in this is really good. So I finished eating the burger. I would rate it 3.5 out of 5. Because I have eaten even better burgers than this. So I think there's still a lot of room to improve themselves. This is fine. The fries also became soggy because they kept it with the hot burger. And these crunchy bites, big no. But it's okay. Alhamdulillah. I'm so sleepy after having that burger. Could not work. So I'm finally heading towards the workshop to get my car after 1 month. I felt handicapped this whole time because I had to ask my dad, my brother for their car. So now finally I get to have my car back. And I can go wherever, whenever without having to ask anyone, please can you give me your car? So let's go. I don't know what is wrong with Riyadh's weather. It's 3 seasons in one day. Fajr time it's so cold and windy, and then during the day it's like hot summer, and evening it's rainy season. I don't know what is happening. And the moment the clouds are there, the whole Riyadh is on the street. You will see crazy traffic in the evening. Guys, I have finally reached to pick up my car. It's so windy, oh my god. crazy windy. Oh my god, the weather is crazy. And let's see if I get my car today or not. I hope I do. That's the workshop. This whole area has car repair workshops. All the accidental cars are here. They have given me this number 50. I still have to wait. So let's see. There are a lot of people here. The car is finally ready and they asked me to fill a form. Now they're getting my car, and apparently because of the rain the car is still very dirty. They haven't cleaned the car after the repair. I don't know why things happen with me like this, but alhamdulillah that I got it. अबे पूरा पीपीएफ भी उखड़ गया. The new bumper is here. The car is fine. Let's check it. Except for the fact that the car is too dirty. But that's fine, at least I got it. Now let's drive this to home. Driving my car. Oh my god, I missed this so much. This is my comfort place. I can literally live in here my whole day. I can sleep in here. Oh man, this feeling is wow, amazing. It's just a little dirty. I have to get it cleaned. By saying thanks to all those people who watched my first vlog and showed me so much love. It was a very, very big thing for me to show the real me, to show this side of me to you all. And the way you guys appreciated it just gave me so much strength and confidence. So I hope that I will continue making these vlogs for you guys, and you guys keep supporting me like this. Thank you so much. Goodbye. The weather is amazing, guys. It's amazing. Subscribe.